I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot. Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
It feels like magic. You type a prompt, press enter, and an alien intelligence answers back. It writes code. It writes poetry. It passes the bar exam. You think the AI is doing the work? Look closer. Behind every perfect algorithm is a hidden army of humans doing the dirty work you weren't supposed to see. The tech industry loves the term artificial intelligence. It conjures up images of an independent, glowing brain, reading the entire internet and teaching itself how to be smart. But a raw AI model, a large language model right after it finishes reading the internet, is actually a sociopath. It doesn't know right from wrong. It doesn't know a helpful answer from a recipe for a bomb. It just predicts the next word. To make it act like that helpful, friendly assistant we all know and love, tech giants rely on something called RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback. It's a fancy term for something incredibly tedious. Essentially, it's dog training, and you can't train a dog without a human holding the treats. To build the features you actually want, like getting the AI to write a polite email instead of insulting your boss, companies generate thousands of responses and have humans rate them. Is response A better than response B? Is this output racist? Is this code actually functional? The AI doesn't know. A human has to tell it, millions and millions of times. But who are these humans? They aren't Silicon Valley engineers making six figures. To process the sheer volume of data required to train these massive models, the tech industry outsources the work. They rely on a sprawling, invisible workforce of data annotators, often located in the global south, places like Kenya, the Philippines, and India. These workers are the digital assembly line of the 21st century. They spend 8, 10, or even 12 hours a day categorizing text, labeling images, and rating AI outputs. They are the ones teaching the AI how to be human. But there is a much darker side to this job. You've probably noticed that if you ask an AI to generate something violent, illegal, or highly toxic, it refuses. It gives you a polite, sanitized response. That safety filter didn't just program itself. For the AI to know what to block, it first has to be shown what to block. Tech companies had to send tens of thousands of snippets of the darkest, most disturbing corners of the internet to outsourced workers. These human beings spent their days reading descriptions of abuse, violence, and hate speech, just so they could tag it as unsafe. They absorbed the trauma of the internet so the AI could look clean, safe, and brand-friendly. But the hidden army isn't just dealing with the dark stuff. They're also building the high-end features you pay $20 a month for. When OpenAI or Google releases a model that can pass a medical exam or write a complex Python script, it's because they hired thousands of domain experts, real doctors, real lawyers, real senior developers, to write thousands of perfect examples. Then there are the red teamers. These are humans explicitly paid to attack the AI. They spend weeks trying to trick the model into breaking its own rules, finding the loopholes and patching the blind spots. Every time you notice the AI getting smarter, more nuanced, or more capable, you aren't witnessing the spontaneous evolution of a machine. You are witnessing the culmination of millions of hours of human labor, packaged into a chat box. The AI revolution is here, and it is incredible. But it's important to see it for what it actually is. It's not magic. It's not an alien brain. It is the largest crowdsourcing project in human history. The intelligence isn't artificial. It's highly extracted, heavily processed human intelligence. So the next time you marvel at a flawless AI response, remember the ghost workers who read the toxicity, the experts who wrote the templates, and the thousands of clicks it took to make the machine look smart. What do you think about the human cost of AI? Let me know down in the comments. If you learned something today, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech world. We're tracking the evolution of the Silicon Horizon every week. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.